Have you ever questioned your accomplishments, felt unworthy of your success, or lived in fear of being quote-unquote found out? Then you, my friend, are not alone. You're experiencing the very common phenomenon known as imposter syndrome. But here is a secret. Those feelings of self-doubt are not the truth. They are simply thoughts, and thoughts patterns can be changed and transformed. In this guided meditation, I'm going to rewire those negative thoughts pattern and replace them with empowering affirmation. And let me guide you to tap into your inner wisdom to rediscover your true value and worth. So let's begin. Now find a comfortable position to sit down or lie down. Gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly from your nose. Pause and exhale fully from your mouth. Breathe in from your nose again. Pause. Exhale slowly from your mouth. Final time, inhale from your nose. Pause and exhale slowly from your mouth. Feel your body sink into the chair or the floor beneath you. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. Allow your breath to guide you arrive in this moment. Now take a moment to acknowledge the presence of feeling this imposter syndrome with you. Notice what kind of thoughts and feelings that arise when you experience it. Simply observe them without judgment. Allow those thoughts and feelings just flow through your body and release them, as if you are watching the cloud moving out of your eyesight. Now allow yourself to send compassion to yourself. Remind yourself, I am worthy of love and acceptance, even with my imperfections. Now repeat those affirmations silently or out loud, allowing the feeling to sink in. I am capable. I am worthy. I am enough. I belong here. I am proud of my accomplishments. Now picture yourself, perhaps from a past event or a future scenario where you have overcome imposter syndrome. Imagine yourself feeling confident, capable, and deserving the success. Let your body feel the joy and satisfaction that comes with knowing your true worth. Now I invite you to put one hand above your heart center. It's in the center of your chest, where love and compassion reside. Feel the touch and the warmth of your hand, allowing this warmth and love flowing inward to your heart. Take a moment to appreciate your unique talents, skills, experience, and recognize the value you bring to this world. Now breathe deeply from your nose. Inhale. Pause for a second. Exhale from your mouth and let go of the feeling of imposter syndrome. Inhale again from your nose. Pause and let that self-doubt go. Final time. Inhale from your nose. Pause and let go of all negative self-talk. Now you can slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice how you feel right now. Remember, overcome imposter syndrome is a journey. Be patient with yourself and continue to practice self-compassion and gratitude. You are capable, worthy, and deserving all of the good things that come your way. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, consider to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.